Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out accessibility of a particular station on the TubeMap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your homepage and type in the name of the station that you are looking for into the search bar at the top. Tap on it, and here you can see the accessibility feature down below, which is the 5th option. So tap on it, and here you can see platform 1 and 2. If you want to get more information, tap on the more button on the right side, and here you can see the accessibility features. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.